Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Lucid app battery conditioning settings, full guide step by step clearly. To download the Lucid app battery conditioning settings, start by opening the App Store on your device. Search for the Lucid app in the search bar. Locate the official Lucid app from the search results. Tap on the app to access its download page. If you haven't installed the app yet, select the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installation is complete, open the Lucid app. You may need to log in or create an account if prompted. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the Battery Conditioning section within the settings. Select the Battery Conditioning option. Review the available settings and options outlined there. Once satisfied, choose the desired settings for your battery conditioning. After selecting your settings, confirm your choices. The app may prompt you to follow specific instructions for optimal battery conditioning. Follow these instructions carefully to ensure the best results. After completing the setup, you can monitor your battery's performance through the app. Regularly check back on the app for any updates or new features related to battery conditioning. That concludes the steps to download and set up Lucid app battery conditioning settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.